Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to explain how to rotate a single page and all page of this job. Can you see this one now? Can you see this? Can you see this? All these are in portrait form, excluding this one. Let me check. Okay, excluding this one. So this one, I want to rotate it so that you're able to all this panel area will come down to the lower side of it. So first click on search box, type ROT, click on rotate 180, check others. So now, so you want to rotate all the remaining pages, just go back to the search box, click on rotate, type ROT, then click on batch rotate pages. Now we want this panel, this side of the panel to come down to this point, and this area to come down to this point, so in form of landscape instead of portrait at its position already. So now that means this is left, this is rotate left. That means this is our left hand side, this is our right hand side. So now we want to rotate to the left hand side. That means the panel will change to this side. That means this panel will move down to this area. So click on start. Wait for a moment. Just wait for some seconds. The other one that's very rotate to landscape, it will also change. The position will change. So I will show you guys. So you have to rotate it back to normal landscape. See. So let us check the other one that's we've done. I don't know where I have to get this one. Let me check. Oh. Okay, good. So now I have to rotate this one back to normal landscape. So click on the search box, type ROT. Now click on wait. Click on. You want to rotate this one, you bring this area of the panel to this side, and this one to this side. What are we going to do now? You have to rotate it to the right hand side. That is rotate right. Can you see now? So rotate only this page. Can you see now? Everything, all the pages are on landscape now. So that is how to rotate PDF file on Planswift in Planswift software. Thanks for watching.